very few medical professionals I know have a marketing or business background. They're providers. They go to med school. There's no business courses. They kind of stumble through. They start business. It's just not their thing. They know how to provide great practice in medicine. They're not marketing people by trade. So they'll go out there and they'll hear, okay, Google pay-per-click is great, and so is social media. They'll pay a couple $1,000s a month for AdWords to, when somebody types in Botox for you to get the traffic, and then it doesn't really work. And people aren't calling them and they aren't emailing them, and they're wondering what went wrong because they're not really using the analytics. So when I say analytics, let's say you go out and you spend $500 on people searching for how much does Botox cost? And for those $500, let's say you spend $1 per click, per visitor. So you get 500 visitors, but nobody calls you and nobody emails you. You get pissed off. You want to sue Google. You want to throw in the towel. But the way to look at it is you got to analyze. You got to use data and analytics. Say, okay, 500 people came to my website or my social media page. Why did nobody call me? Why did nobody email me? And then you ask them your friends and you show them what your web pages look like and what your print looks like and what your social media looks like. And you show them the top 10 other people on Google or Facebook. You ask them, hey, who would you call? Who would you message and why? And all of a sudden you quickly realize like, oh shit, they had some good testimonials or they had a better looking website or they had a better offer or whatever it is. And then you adjust it and you tweak it. I'm not saying that you knock them off, but you take those elements that's working for other people and then you put in your flavor, your twist, your special sauce, your angle. And then all of a sudden out of 500 people, 10% or 50 people are asking you a question and 10% of those 50 people are buying from you. And even though 5 people isn't going to make you rich, if 5 people spend $3,000 a year, that's $15,000 in revenue. Now, $15,000 isn't going to make anybody a superstar, but $15,000 off that one campaign, you do that 10 times, you got $150 grand a year.